They're so complicated and come with no instructions. Really? There's no point of even trying, man. It's gonna be too hard to understand. I give up.
Learning hardware and coding can be fun, but though several existing kits readily available in the market are quite complex to configure and use, this wastes a lot of time and distracts people, especially kids, from focusing on learning and experimenting. Not anymore. Embedded Learner Kit, innovated by MoonshotJr's Innovation Lab, makes learning coding, microcontrollers, and sensors so much more exciting and easy to comprehend. It can easily be configured, and children can have fun while experimenting.
Time to unbox the new Embedded Learner Kit.
Okay, cool.
Let's see. Whoa.
What is this? Is I think this is
Yeah,
an
that's
Arduino.
the Arduino. Oh, it comes with a handy note set. Let's see.
I think we are almost done with the circuit, so let's see if we can turn it on. What do you want to do? Alright, so I think this thing is working.
Let's do something even cooler.
The Embedded Learner Kit is designed to have an easy setup and simplifies learning while having fun. It has a variety of functions like a 7-segment LED display, etc. You can connect it easily with an Arduino learner board, one function at a time. By using sensors on the board, you can develop a product and learn coding and hardware in the process.
So for glowing number 1 on the 7-segment display, which segments should glow? Low. So make 2, 3, 8, 5 and 6 high. Rest low. So 2 is high, 3 is high, 6 is high, 5 is high and 8 is high. Rest 7 and 4 are low.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now just upload this code right now and let's see 1 and 2 are working or not.
We conduct live online instructional sessions to educate students about the features, functions, usability, and applications of this kit. There are more than 12 sessions, each about an hour long. In these sessions, students can learn about coding in C and Arduino and ways to apply the codes for different functions like reading temperature data or light intensity and display it on a 7-segment display. With our innovations and instructor-led sessions, we pledge to make learning fun for the new generation.